Hi, Richard here from Irish Pens. This is our Woodland bog oak pen rollerball. What makes this gift a really special gift? It's really down to the wood. The wood in this pen is oak or wood that has sat in bog waters for over 5,000 years. That's actually pushed older than the pyramids. You take something as unique and special as that wood and you marry it with a rhodium and titanium pen trim, and you've got a gift that is classic in design, a gift that is 5,000 years old. How often do you get a chance to hold something like that in your hand? You get a gift that delivers its form over function. It delivers as a beautiful writing instrument. It looks classic, feels classic. So this is a gift that will be really appreciated by its receiver. If you want the pen engraved, we can do that also. Hit yes, please engrave my pen. Put the text in the box that comes up on the card page and leave the rest to us. Oh, and don't forget your free personal note. We'll do that for you also. Thanks for watching.